Are you looking for the best inverter welding machine? In this video we will break down top 5 best inverter welding machine on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, HCX Vogen, model number, HVM270. This welder machine combines high-frequency TIG, MMA, MIG gas or gasless and cut functions in a single unit. Built-in pulse current for welding aluminum helps to accurately control heat input, reduce heat spreading when welding aluminum alloys. This welder kit features a bright, easy-to-read LED screen for precise parameter control, ensuring intuitive operation. Its intelligent auto-matching system instantly adjusts voltage and current based on your selected electrode size, metal thickness, and welding mode, ideal for beginners. HCX Vogen HVM270 welder is engineered with a built-in pulse current specifically for welding aluminum. This feature allows for precise heat control, minimizing heat dispersion and preventing workpiece distortion. Enhance your weld quality and achieve a professional finish with ease. Designed for versatility, our welding machine offers 2 distinct modes to suit your skill level. The synergic mode simplifies operations for beginners and occasional users, while the manual mode caters to expert welders who demand precision and control over the welding process. HVM270 plasma cutter machine is equipped with the latest IGBT inverter technology, 220 volt 60% duty cycle. 40 amp plasma cutter current output, can achieve 5 mm ideal clean cutting and 15 mm maximum cutoff. You can safely and quickly cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and aluminum using hazard-free compressed air cutting power. Adjusting the amperage or choosing different wire thicknesses and gas material, the voltage and wire feeding speed will automatically change. HVM270 welder machine increased the output current, upgraded the control software and large LED display. You can easily read the data without taking off your helmet. The automatic temperature control fan makes the machine run very quietly. Number 4. Brand name, Andeli, model number, MIG270. The design of the dual-voltage MIG welder is compact, small, and portable. The Andeli MIG270 is generally well regarded for its versatility, offering MIG, flux cord, stick and lift TIG functions in a portable, user-friendly package. It provides consistent, quality welds, especially when using gasless MIG or flux cord, and is a solid option for beginners and DIY enthusiasts due to its accessible digital interface and lightweight design. This MIG welder has wire feed speed control so that you can weld smoothly and excellently by adjusting it to suit your application. You can operate it easily even though you are a welding beginner. Come with a safety feature that the welding machine is automatically protect when it is too hot or the volt and current exceed their range. The machine is built with durable components, suitable for both occasional and frequent use. Number 3. Brand name, Hitbox, model number, MIG250. The Hitbox MIG welding machine offers a 6-in-1 design, enabling MMA, MIG, lift TIG and more, making it suitable for various welding tasks in a home or professional setting. Utilizing advanced IGBT inverter technology, this welder provides precise control and superior performance, ensuring high-quality welds and durability over traditional welding methods. Designed for convenience, the machine operates on both 100 volt and 200 volt, allowing flexibility for different power sources and making it ideal for home users and professionals alike. The Hitbox flux cord welder has a built-in VRD function. With the lift TIG function, the VRD light comes on to better prevent the tungsten needle from sticking to the workpiece, and a unique anti-stick process allows for smooth welding. Unique human-machine interactive display panel for clear display of welding details. Number 2. Brand name, HCX Vogen, model number, HVM140. The HCX Vogen HVM140 3-in-1 MIG welder is a compact yet versatile welding machine designed to meet the needs of hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Equipped with an advanced protection system against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, this welder machine ensures your safety while you work. The intelligent large display and one-button controls make it effortless to adjust the welding current, allowing you to focus confidently on your tasks. The HCX Vogen HVM 143-in-1 MIG welder is designed for a wide range of applications, delivering exceptional performance. Its rugged housing is designed to withstand demanding environments without compromising performance. Number 1. Brand name, Andeli, model number, MIG 250E. Andeli MIG 250E Flux Core Welder is a revolutionary machine, real output current 120 ampere, strong input makes you fall in love with welding. IGBT inverter technology, which uses the efficiency and reliability of multiple IGBT inverters, allowing a huge increase in the work cycle. The voltage and wire feed speed are automatically matched, and the current is automatically adjusted according to the plate thickness, which is suitable for beginners. More intuitive, synergistically designed, this gas-free soldering iron has wire feed speed control so you can solder smoothly and excellently by adjusting it to your application. Comes with a safety feature that the soldering iron automatically protects when it is too hot or the volt and current exceed their interval. The design of the double voltage MIG welder is compact, small, and portable.